In this video, you will learn how to monetize your blog with Google AdSense. First, create quality content. Before applying for Google AdSense, ensure your blog has high quality, original content that offers value for readers. Google will look for websites that provide useful and engaging material. Second, meet AdSense requirement. You will need to make sure your blog follows Google's policies, has enough content, typically above 20 plus posts, and has a clean, user-friendly design. Your blog should primarily have a privacy focus and contact page, and even an about page. Then, sign up. Sign up for Google AdSense. Go to Google AdSense website and sign up for an account. Provide your website URL and basic details about your blog. Then, add AdSense code to your blog. After approval, Google will provide an AdSense code that you'll need to insert into your blog HTML. Then, most blogging platforms like WordPress or Blogger allow you to easily paste this code into your site's header or through an ad plugin. Customize. Customize your ads. Once ads start appearing on your blog, customize them to match your look and feel of your site. You can choose an ad format like display ads, text ads, or even link units to blend seamlessly into your content. Monitor performance and optimize. Use Google AdSense reporting tools to track performance and see which ads are generating you the most revenue and the most clicks. Experiment with different ad placements and formats to maximize your own earnings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.